I mean, have we played it before? Yes? Do you know or you just saying yes? I don't know. I don't know if I believe you. Only one guy goes, yeah, yeah. Well, it doesn't matter because we're here tonight, you know? And we got some rock and roll music to play for you. So we'd like to move right along into tonight's festivities, if you will, with something from